Hello, hello. Welcome again. Day 4 for our down dog yoga challenge for 30 days. This is the 4th day. How are you, Fiona? Good to see you still joining me with the challenge.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. I can see you've got some company again.
Yes, they love it. Ready to join in?
Oh, great.
You can.
Fantastic. Okay. Ready to start.
Okay, let's do
Fantastic.
it.
All right.
Let's do it. Come on.
This time, your feet together. Try to spread your toes so you've got your feet nice and flat on the ground, hands in your hips area, and let's try to play with the balance, trying to rise your heels off the floor. The trick is to control your abdominal muscles and your glutes. So this is your center of the gravity. This is the secret for strong balance. Okay, so don't think about your heels too much. Think about your hips and all the muscles around this area. Inhale, slowly exhale. Perfect. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Inhale and slowly exhale. Lift your arms. Inhale, slowly exhale. Pull your shoulders back and down. Inhale, you can stay the same. I'm going to show from the side. Trying to squeeze your shoulder blades to pull your shoulders back. Really feel the stretch at the front, your chest and your shoulders. Maybe one more. Inhale and slowly exhale. Now flex your hips, bend your knees, slowly fold forward. Could be feet wider than your shoulders width apart. And start to rock your body side to side. Just make sure you've got your knees bent, hips low enough to support your upper body, lower back. Just resting your rib cage on your legs. So your upper body is really close to your thighs. And you're rocking side to stretch your hips, glutes, lower back. And slowly place your hands, bring your knees, lift your feet, and you're going to move your legs side to side again. Good exercise to mobilize lower back, strengthen your wrist, upper body. Good breaths. Inhale and slowly exhale. You can look down or try to look behind. Maybe one more each side. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Back to center. Toes stuck under. Inhale. Exhale. Lift your knees. And again, you're trying to focus on the correct position. So you're trying to bring your belly and your ribcage towards your legs. And slowly just relax your knees. Inhale, ready. And when you exhale, going to a down dog position. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Maybe one more. Form arms. Knees together. And now left leg straight. When you inhale, squeeze your glutes on your left side, lift your leg, and exhale slowly down. Could be if your toes tuck under or going to point your toes back. Inhale and exhale. For up dog, we need the strength in your lower back. And this is another exercise to achieve that. Maybe one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Perfect. Now right leg Inhale. Slowly exhale. Keeping your head really high, pushing shoulders, elbows to the floor. Holding your hips square, so you're not rotating your hip to lift your leg higher. It's all about feeling muscles, your buttocks and back of your right leg. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Let's lay down your belly again. As you remember, we still preparing your spine, chest, and strengthening your upper body for up dog position. So maybe you still with your elbows, which is fine, or try with your hands with your shoulder level. Make sure you're pointing elbows back. Okay. Strong glutes. Really focus to clench your buttocks muscles right now and find the position. You're happy to lift your chest without any discomfort in your lower back. Okay, takes time, just be patient and you will see the results pretty quickly. Maybe one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Form arms again, pressing elbows, knees to change in child pose. Could be elbows or stretching your arms if you're ready for deeper stretch. Improving the flexibility in your upper body, chest and your shoulders. Great stretching for your lower back, as well as your hips and your glutes. You can stay still or even rock side to side. And slowly on your four, proceed down. Or you can enjoy the stretching a little bit longer. It's a good, very good stretch. All right, inhale, arms up. And slowly exhale. Maybe one more. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. How are you feeling?
Good. That's great. How many days have we done?
4 days.
4
That was
days.
the fourth one. Yeah, so we've got 26.
Yeah.
Go.
It's good. I'm feeling better. So thank you to everybody who's joining in. Keep going. Join us for day 5. Thank you for supporting Birmingham Dogs Home with our Pawsitivity campaign. And we'll see you for the next one.
Yes, see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Have a good day, guys. Remember, give us thumbs up if you're with us with this amazing course. And yeah, see you tomorrow doing another stretching for feeling better body and your mind. So bye for now.
See ya.